When we talk about smartwatches, today we'll be reviewing W26 plus Smartwatch. If you're looking for related contents, do hit the I icon on the top and please do subscribe to our PlanetPedia. The box comes with a black color edition smartwatch. As we open, we get an instruction manual. Along with the instruction manual, we get to see this beautiful watch. As of now, let's keep this manual aside. Also, talking about this beautiful watch, the watch is really looking good, and as of now, let's keep it aside. Talking about how to attach and detach the charger cable with the smartwatch. The back of this watch contains a rechargeable port and also a heart rate sensor which is suited to it to the center. We just have to attach or detach the cable of the charger port, and it has an added advantage that it has been magnetically attached here. So it's getting a firm decision and a stable decision so that it is not falling unnecessarily. Keeping the charger aside, talking about the smartwatch, it comes with the dimensions 44 mm, 38 mm and a 10.5 mm height. We can also see the speaker which is located to the right of this particular smartwatch base. Along with this particular speaker, we get a scrollable pin which is used to toggle between different faces or the themes or the different apps situated in this particular smartwatch. The back of the watch comes with an heart rate sensor and a chargeable port. As we on this device or as we on this watch, we get to see a beautiful theme, and this theme is really looking cool, and it can be changed by just scrolling the scrollable button which is located to the right of this particular smartwatch. There are plenty of customized themes which can give a good appearance and a good responsiveness to this particular smartwatch. As we talk about the features of this particular smartwatch, over to the notification panel, down over to the notification panel, we can see a Bluetooth connector, information page, battery indicator, alarm clock, and a QR code bar. This QR code bar can be scanned by the smartwatch or any smart devices, and it can lead us to the M Active app, which is used to control different activities and the fitness tracking via Bluetooth of this particular app. We also get a customizable icon which on click shows two different templates for this watch theme. Once we click on the smart style, we get a watch theme which is similar to that of an iWatch, and it looks very cool on this particular device. We can increase this or decrease the size of this font or size of this particular app icon by just adjusting to the scrollable watch option which is available to the right of this particular watch. Talking about this template, the 9 apps, by just clicking on the 9 apps which we can get a theme which is in form of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Talking about the apps, we get a contacts which can be used to connect to the Bluetooth, and we'll be getting different contacts which are there in our phone. We also get a phone book to call over to the different people using Bluetooth. Also, we get a call feature where we can get the received calls as well as the incoming or the outgoing calls features. Also, we get the messaging app which is used for messaging. We get a notifier app, and also we get a customizable app and a pedometer which is used to detect the number of steps you have walked. Also, along with this theme, we get a theme changer and a find phone device feature. This is used to find the phone which is lost by using the smartwatch. We also get a sleep tracker which is used to monitor the sleep cycle, heart rate sensor to detect the heart rate. Over to the bottom, we can see a sensor which is activated and the 4 lights are glowing, which means that it's really working. We also get an exercise app, so using the exercise app, we can track the outdoor exercises like running, walking, dancing, etc. We also get a temperature sensor which is used for detecting the room temperature in the surroundings, an alarm clock to add clock and calendar, a music player, etc. We also get a camera icon, stopwatch, calculator, and this particular calculator really works well. And as you can see in this particular example, it's very computational. We also get a sensor settings like flip your phone to mute and various other features and sensory settings which are available on this particular widget. We also get to the settings, and over to settings we have a clock, display, and a sound. So as you can hear, the sound is really cool, and this doesn't have any distortions, and the sound can be clearly be heard in a noiseless surrounding, and it's really clear. We get a posture app which is used for reminding us the posture when we are sitting for a longer time, and it's really helpful, at least for me. Talking about the battery is 280 mAh lithium polymer battery which can last for a day or so. I didn't feel any battery issues in this particular smartwatch. Even though it was connected to Bluetooth, I could use for a day or so. This is a good watch to wear every day. Should you buy this watch? If you are looking for a better screen, a smart style, a bezel-less display, and a cheaper watch which is available on the social market like Flipkart and Amazon, you can go to this purchase of this particular watch. If you are looking for a watch for long-lasting battery and a watch which has more features, you can go for the various other apps which is available for the smart same price range like Realme and Amazfit, etc. So thank you watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Do give it a thumbs up and do support our channel for our efforts. Thank you.